Climb inside the 2019 Ford Fiesta. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the latest in technological innovation and style. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.